6 of our 100 Days Python Coding Challenge. In today's challenge, we'll write a Python program to print the letter W using stars. This is a fun and creative exercise that will help strengthen your understanding of loops and patterns in Python. Input. The input will be a single line containing an integer representing m. Output. The output should be m rows containing stars, as the letter W shown in the sample output. Sample input and output are also given for your reference. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more coding challenges, tutorials, and tips. By subscribing, you'll stay updated